black color, blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, yellow ochre color. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Black color, A. The next one is B. Now we draw C. C. D. The next one is E. Now we draw F. Blue color, F. The next one is G. H. The next one is I. We again use blue color. Now we draw J. Red color, K. Now we draw L. The next one is M. Now we draw N. And the next one is O. Kids, now we draw P. Yellow color. Q for Queen. Now we draw Q. The next one is R. S. Now we draw T. And the next one is U. Kids, now we draw V. And the next one is W. Green color. Now we draw X. And the next one is Y. The last one is Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we use green color. 1, 2, black color. Now we draw 3, 4, 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X. 6. Now we use black color. The next one is 7. And now we draw 8. The next one is 9. We again use black color. The last one is 10.
Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. O N E 1. 2 T W O 2. Kids again use black color and draw 3. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids again use black color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. Yellow color. S I X 6. 7. S E V E N 7. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. Kids now 10. The numbers of 10. T E N 10. Kids now 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. Red color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use red color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now 16. The numbers of 16 and use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. Kids now 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20.
Black color. The next one is blue color. Red color. Yellow ochre color. Green color. The last one is yellow color. Today we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Black color. First we draw the letter of A. The next one is B. Now we draw C. C. The next one is D. T. Blue color. Now we draw E. The letter of E. We again use blue color and now we draw numbers. 1. Now we draw 2. 3. Now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. Red color. Now we draw the number of 4. The next one is 5. Kids, now we draw 2D shapes. Yellow ochre color. First we draw the shape of square. The next one is circle. Green color. Now we draw the shape of triangle. Yellow color. Now we draw the shape of heart. Red color. Now we draw star. Blue color.
Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring ABC. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use black color. Black color. The alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball. B for bat. The alphabets of B. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car, and use red color, the alphabets of C. Kids neither D. D for dog, D for doll, and use green color, Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use blue color, Kids neither F. F for fish, F for fan, and again use black color, Kids neither G. G for God, G for grapes, and use yellow color, the alphabets of G. Kids neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use red color, Kids neither I. I for ice, I for ice cream, and use green color, Kids neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use blue color, Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. G for guard, G for grapes. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. O for orange, O for octopus. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for quail. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V for van, V for violin. W for wolf, W for watch. X for x-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.